Hi Jessica, this is Byron with First Class Marketing, here with a short video on tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence through your website and also with your Google profile. These tips can be used in-house and they should actually help you with generating more traffic to your actual website and converting over those customers into new clients. Now, as I pulled up your website, it did tell me that it was under maintenance. So just for this example, I do have here to a website from a competitor of yours on some things that can be worked on, and also a high ranking competitor that has more hits and more traffic to their website. So just going through this website here, um, they have some good pictures. Looks like a lot of content as well. One thing about Google is that it does look for about maybe 15 to 2,000 words. And with that 15 to 2,000 words, you definitely want to add in some keywords with that content. Keywords are basically anything that anyone types into Google when they're searching for a specific service or a product as well. And strategically placing those keywords throughout your content is going to allow you to have your website searched on your terms when it comes to Google. And also, pictures that you have in the background, those pictures can be saved as keywords as well. That will give you a boost to your actual website. Now, this tool here that we call Ahrefs, you can actually use this tool on your own as well. But this tool here is basically going to give you a basic analytical breakdown of your website. And one thing that we look at here is what they call the UR and the DR. So the UR is going to represent how much power your website is getting, as opposed to the DR, which is how much trust that Google has with your website. Now, with these numbers here, you want to be between 30 and 40, which is going to indicate a high ranking website. Also, backlinks and referring domains is what you want to have in your website. As you can see, the website that we were just looking at, this is what I plugged into the data here. They have no backlinks, and backlinks are basically other websites that are referring back to your website as well, with clickable hyperlinks and text. And those referring websites are going to act as an endorser to your website. So you definitely want to make sure that you have quality over quantity, because not all backlinks are the same. A lot of backlinks can be spammy, and also some can be authoritative. So you want to go after the ones that are authoritative, because that is going to send more power to your website and giving you more strength and increasing those numbers. Also, as you can see, they have about 39 keywords as well, and that is pretty much generating no traffic for this actual website as well. So this client can be a good prospect as well to work with as well, because they're not getting any traffic to their website per month. So let's take a look at their keywords. So when it comes to keywords, you definitely want to stick to buyer intent keywords that are specific to the location and the service location as well. So as you can see, they have roofer off in Austin, Texas, roofing contractors in Austin, Texas, Austin, Texas roofer, Austin, Texas roofing contractors. So they have some pretty good keywords listed on their website. However, without those backlinks and those referring domains, as you can see, it's pretty much not really bringing any traffic to their website at all. Now, as comparison, I typed in roofer Austin, Texas, just to see exactly what we get as the result. This section here is called the map pack section. You definitely want to be listed in this section as well, because that is going to be where 30 to 40% of your actual traffic is going to come from, whether it's callers that are calling in or people that are going directly to your website. And then down here is what we call the organic listing. Again, you definitely want to aim to be in this section right here. And in doing so, how you actually rank to be in this section is that you want to make sure that you're getting good reviews. And in those reviews, you want to make sure you're getting consistent good reviews. And in those reviews, you want to make sure that you are responding back to the customers as well. A lot of companies don't know to respond, or they actually just don't respond at all. And then this is the About Me section here. This has about maybe 750 characters in the section. So you definitely want to make sure that that section is filled out fully, and then also optimized with keywords in this section as well. Google loves pictures, so you definitely want to make sure you upload about maybe 100 or so pictures to your map pack section. That is going to get you ranking higher as well. And again, these are tips that you can use on your own website to increase your position within the map pack. Another thing that we use is actually called citations. Citations are basically anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is going to be listed in different places. So you definitely want to make sure that it is listed the same. Also with your hours, you want to make sure that it's all listed the same across different platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook, even LinkedIn, because that information is going to go, it's going to read off of your Google profile, and that is going to have you listed in different directories, such as the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and thousands more. And as we take a look at the competition here, Austin Roofing and Construction, as you can see, they have a pretty good website layout. They have a clickable phone number here, which is great for conversions, quick conversions at that. And they have some pictures, and looks like they have content as well. So as we plug them into the tool that we used earlier, which is called Ahrefs, as you can see, their power is at about a 29, and their trust with Google is at about a 31. So they're pretty good, which is getting them good amount of traffic. As you can see, they are getting 773 clicks per month with their website. They have about 3,400 backlinks with 236 referring domains and also 143 keywords. And as we take a look at the keywords that they're using, and again, you can also use this on your website as well. Roofing Austin, Austin Roofing Contractor, offering Austin Roofing Contractors, Roofing Contractors Austin. So they have a lot of good keywords that's bringing in a lot of volume as well. Roofing Companies Austin, Texas, so on and so forth. I hope this video was very helpful and very informative. If you have any other questions, or if you would like to scale your business more, I do this for a living. You can definitely reach out to me as well. All of my contact information will be included with the email, and I really appreciate you for watching today. Thank you.